for journalists to stage events.
Fine, I'll film it myself. I don't need you to. And I don't need a family who never believed in me. I tell you, it makes me want to do a whole bunch of stuff you said I'd never do. Like starting my own dance studio, or killing pigeons with my mind.
Just for your information, I believe in the dance studio. But 2 days before we opened, it wasn't your mother's fault. A woman got raped in the locker room.
What's this I'm seeing for the first time? Only North Gold. Here's looking at you, Gold. Here's looking at you, Gold. What is that? Come on, Sting. You can do better. It's for your legacy, man. Hey, you. Get it? Hey, you. That's the chemical symbol for gold. Me Chinese. Me make joke. Me find gold in your goat. Gold! Have I unearthed Oliver North's gold, or has it unearthed me? That's it. A perfect historical quote. Brief, dignified, unclean. Is that dirt or doggy?
And Filthy Rich in 3, 2.
Manager guy, Luke sexually harassed me. It was horrible. He wouldn't stop. I deserved money.
Well, this is very serious, Laura. Marjorie, could you please send in Luke Von Ober?
Oh, just got my period.
Damn, Uterus refreshing himself every month like it owns the joint.